So mae pawb, dwi'n edrych ymlaen I bod yn Arfogi efo chi in just a couple of weeks' time. We're going to be in Bala for Equip, and this year we're going to get equipped for life and leadership with the big three in the Bible: faith, hope, and love. You've got to have faith. Without faith, we can't please God, and we need to be inspired to grow in faith so we can live and lead as those who take courageous steps of faith. You've got to have hope. In this life, we face struggles and trials, and only through hope can we overcome them. And we've got to have love. The greatest of all of these is love. God's great love for us through Jesus, shared with the world in his name. So get yourself to Bala. Looking forward to being there. Not just for the talks. We've got an amazing lineup of speakers this year, but it's more than that. It's the rugby. It's the food. And it's the time together when we spark and inspire one another with faith, hope, and love. So whatever other plans you may have, cancel them, change them, rearrange them. Let's be in Bala together, and let's get inspired to live and lead with faith, hope, and love. Looking forward to seeing you there. Ta-da.